us that race in the Queen's race is very important. And you think about what the pursuit or the seeking of knowledge, kaimi, seeking, is for this canoe. Johnny Puakea seeking how can we design a canoe today with what we know, based on what we used to know. How can we use new materials to seek a better performance? And so that is kaimi. And for all of us that will be privileged to paddle kaimi, how can we seek, what will we seek in our own knowledge to be a better paddler, to be a better blend, so that all of us can blend with this new canoe? That is kaimi. That is where this name comes from. E puli kako. Heavenly Father, we thank you for this opportunity today to bless this new canoe and welcome it into our kikaho ohana. We thank you for the safe journey that this canoe has had across the ocean to come to this very special place for us. We ask your blessing for all who have paddled this canoe, that we be safe and always paddle with pono and respect for all. Amen.
Pull my kite, 4. Pull my kite, 5. Pull my kite, 6. Pull my kite, kaimi pa'a. Pull my kite, 6. Pull my kite. Pull my kite.
One, two, three. Kikaha!